Ouais. OK. Dun, 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 dun. All right, all right. Here we go. Welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, good evening, guys. Good evening. So people are joining slowly but surely. Let's see here. I need to fix a little something very quickly. Boom, boom, boom. Welcome, welcome. We're going to wait for people to join us, and we're going to get going. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, let's see, let's see. There we go. Perfect. All right. Welcome, guys. Officially welcome. All right, so this is a Forex talk over beer, and I don't have my beer in my hand. So give me 1 sec, guys. We're gonna get going. Let's see here. Let me write. Be right back. Be right back. Oops, be right back. Let me just go pick up my beer. Tell people I'm coming back right now. I need to clean that glass quickly. All right, guys. Welcome back. Oh, Rage is on time. Oh, Sheriff is on. All right, so guys, welcome, welcome. Bienvenue à tous. Donc, bonne soirée. Welcome. This is Forex Talk over beer. So the concept of this show is pretty simple. We're going to go over Q&As. So random Q&As. If you have any questions, send it. We're going to break down trades that we took this week. And sometimes I talk about specific subjects. So we'll see. Tonight probably going to be a short episode. We'll see how it goes. So, hey, we had the pre-show before. You guys choose the dragon right here. This is called the Monstre à Trois Têtes. And this is a double IPA. And we're going to drink that together. So I highly recommend you guys go pick up a drink right now. It can be a beer. It can be shots. It can be orange juice, because maybe you're watching the replay right now and it's the morning at your place. So that's okay. That's okay. I'm about to do a cheers with you. So whatever you guys drinking right now, girls and guys, sorry, whatever you guys doing or drinking, actually, sorry, I'm going to do a cheers with you. Snap a picture, post it on Instagram, tag my name on it, and I will reshare it. All right. And so don't forget, as soon as you come in on YouTube, smash that like button. All right. So if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right. First thing first, let's crack up the beer. Because, man, we cannot talk about Forex without beer, man. Come on. Look at this beauty. Oh boy. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Smells so good. All right, guys. I'm about to do a cheers with you guys. So make sure you got your camera ready. In 3, 2, 1. Cheers. All right, guys. So if you didn't have time to snap the picture, just rewind 2 seconds on YouTube. Snap that picture. Boom. Post it on Instagram, and I will reshare it. All right. So cheers, guys. Oh my God. This is going to be like, I don't know, probably a 4.5, 4.75. This is close to perfection, man. This is so close to perfection. Holy. Wow. Amazing. So let's get started. All right. So let's talk about today first because the chart is right there. So let's delete this. Let's delete that. No, actually, let's leave this there. All right. Perfect. All right, guys. So let's talk about today. So if you're looking at the chart right now, I mean, today, I mean, it was like, I mean, it was just rangy, you know, between those two zones. It's being rangy for 6 days. So anyone trying to force a trade here, it's kind of crazy, you know. So nothing was really exciting in here. I mean, as you see, I mean, price was just rejecting this area, you know, this resistance right here, kept rejecting. I mean, here at 7:30, I mean, 8 a.m., we kind of attempt to break. Here, we kind of attempt to break. So rip to all those people who took impulse buys when it broke here. That's why I do not trade breakout candles anymore. I am done with this shit. And the reason why, it's because most of the time it's a fake out and it comes back. So I wait for break and retest or dogtail setup sometimes, you know, when it's a good timing and I know volume is going to be there. So the only good opportunity will be maybe here on this candle if price was coming down first and breaking after. But I don't know because I wasn't watching at this time. But yeah, so except that, man, yes, here you got your break. You got kind of your retest here. You got your engulfing here, but which is doji. So for me, it's a write-off candle. So I would not be trading this. You know, if you look on 1 hour, you got the same idea. You got your breaking candle, you got your retest candle, you got your support form, and maybe here, you know, but to be honest, you know, at this time it's like 1 o'clock, volume's dead, so you don't want to be trading in there. So anyways, so again, it was another fake out. So yeah, man, so that's why you need to be patient with those range, man. You need to wait for a good confirmation. But now it actually looks like we're trying to come up here, so which is good. I mean, this close actually higher than here. So, I mean, we're trying to break above. So, I mean, anything above 250 after that, it's going to be pretty nice because we got some clean traffic to the left side right here. And it's going to be beautiful. So watch out for Asian session. Maybe it's going to happen. I don't know. We'll see. The only thing I did attempt today, it was a tiny attempt on GA. And it was, I'm going to explain why it was a mistake for me to do this. Okay. So let's talk about that. Cheers, guys. What will you need to taste to give a beer a 5 on 5? The mouthfeel has to be awesome. I mean, the mouth that they use has to be in sync altogether. You need to taste, you know, what they write on their cans, and the color has to be smooth. And yeah, man. So, but yeah, this is definitely very close to perfection. I mean, just whoa. So yeah, so guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Audio is good. Okay, perfect. Let me see here. Damn, you still didn't. No, man. But actually, I saw him this weekend. I saw the guy who's gonna fix my OBS, and he promised me he's gonna come soon. So crossing my fingers. He's very used to those stuff, so hopefully he's gonna be able to help me. Don't forget to like the stream on your way in. Oh, okay, and get your drinks. Regis is on time. All right, perfect. All right, let's see. Alexander, oh, what's up, man? GJ really not doing good for me as soon as I started my trial. Oh man. Ouais, Alex, faut que tu fasses attention à GJ, man. GJ, c'est vraiment de la merde là, présentement. Là. Entre ces deux zones-là, c'est horrible. So it's very horrible here between those two zones. So you don't want to be trading in this. This is bullshit. All right, so let me show you what was the mistake here on GA. GA was only risking 0.5% and ending up losing 0.3. It was just an attempt on doing something here. I think I was just bored, and I think this was a big mistake. I was just bored, been on the chart for like a couple hours. It's like, man, I need to take a small trade at least. This was stupid, to be honest. This was stupid. But the big mistake, and thank you, Mike. So I don't know if Mike is there, but after I closed in the loss, he's like, yeah, Sasha. Do you remember what is 750? I'm like, oh, fuck, this is my course, right? So, yeah, because I explained my student that 750, when you got a price coming down, this quarter point can be a reversal. It's called the undershot level. So you're going to be very careful. All right. So what happened there? Bam, reversal, So, and as you see, now we might see a double bottom forming and push up. So we'll see. Let's go back on 30 minutes. So basically what I did is actually I did a paper trade. And I think that's what got me into this trade is I actually did what time was this one? Let me see something. It was right here. This one was massive. This one was right here. Yeah, okay, perfect. Excellent. So what happened is I did a paper trade. Okay, I did a paper trade first. This huge candle with news, which was the CPI news, came down, broke this major QP, closed right under. So what I did is I used my dogtail setup. So I waited for this wick to wake up, retest this major QP. Once it broke the low, this is where I triggered my entry. On my paper trade. So this was the entry right here. Stop loss was right here. It was like actually it was a little tighter than that. It was like a 12-ish pip stop loss. I was aiming for 15, somewhere around here, right here. So kind of missed it. Actually, my entry was a little lower. Right. Let me see the price. Yes, 8.6. No, sorry, 8.76. Here we go. Perfect, right here. And I was aiming for 15. So basically, you missed it by a tiny thing. But anyways, it came back up to my entry first. So that's why it was coming down. It was coming down a little bit. It went to like I think 4 or 5 pips, and after that, it comes up. And after that went to TP, 15 pips. So this was the paper trade. So this one I didn't took it live. It was a nice win. All right, perfect. So when I saw that, I was like, all right, man, I called that paper trade. It was a winner. This shit's going to continue down for sure. If you look left, you got those wick, you got those wick to fill. If you look at 1 hour, you got those wick to fill and you got clean traffic to the left. But the main thing I should have realized is look at this magnificent blue line, which is the 750 QP, right? So what happened with this? Bam, rejection, bam, rejection, bam, rejection. So I was like, bam, rejection, right? So what I did is when this candle, on the 30-minute, when this candle here closed, nice bearish like this, I waited for price to wake up. When it broke the low, I enter a trade right here. And price came in profit for maybe like 4 pips, something like that. And after that, came back to my entry and I closed, I think it was like minus 4 pips, I think 5 pips, if I'm not wrong. Anyways, full stop was like, even full stop, I think it was 8 pips. So I was not even risking the full 0.5%. So that's why I did actually lost less than what I was expecting. So it was just a small, tiny loss because I was trying something and it was stupid because this is what I teach and I didn't saw it, right? So, it is what it is, right? So, hey, cheers, guys. So I think that is something that when you get bored and you want to trade, you do stupid mistakes. So this is exactly what happened. Hey, I don't hide behind anything, right? So, all right, guys. So this was the trade from today. Let's talk about gold right here. So gold here, paper trade right now, in play, looking pretty good, aiming for 205 pips for 35 pips stop loss. So this is going to be a almost a 6-to-1 ratio. So I'll wait and see how it goes. Right now, I mean, stop would be at break even, obviously. And the thinking of this was pretty simple. So let me show you. So on 4 hours, price came down on gold. As you see, price, oops. So price came down here, reject this area, came back up. And what we got a formation of a double bottom right here, broke the neckline. So now I'm looking, I missed the entry on the break of the neckline. So I was like, all right, so how can I enter now? Knowing that we might have a reversal around this area. So I was like, all right, let me place my fib around here on the 30-minute, on the 15-minute time frame. Gold is the only pair I actually look at 15-minute time frame. So what I did is I placed my fib right here, and I had my golden zone right here. So what I did is, all right, perfect. So I had a nice bullish engulfing candle, boom, snap the entry right here. And all right, let's write it up. So yeah, pretty simple. Plus we had a break, retest of the neckline, push up. And I mean, this was your confirmation time frame. This was your confirmation on the break and retest of the neckline, but it was way too high. So I think it was good that I missed it because price retraced down in the golden zone, form support, boom, entry, and now you write it up to the next zone. So so I place break even. My game plan was, if I was trading this live, is once we reach those level here, I was to place my stop at break even and let it ride to the next zone right here, you know. So we'll see if it plays out. Of course, I'm good in my mind. If I'm trading this live, I'm securing probably like 80% of the profits right here at TP4, which is a God hit right now. So this is the TP4 on the fib level. So right here, this is where I'll be securing probably 80% of the trade and let the rest run to full TP. So even here, this is like a it was a 35 pip stop loss, and this is like 120. So this is almost a 4-to-1, you know, at this stage. So yeah, so pretty nice trade here. So I'm this close to start trade gold, man. I can't believe it. Every freaking time, man. Crazy. Plus yesterday I also had a sell. I also got that sell paper trade here. I went down for, I think if I remember correctly, it was 35 pips. Yeah, man, insane. So yeah, man. Any question about that? Let's see. Cheers, guys. Hello, Abdo. Yo, it's Wednesday time to dance. Oh, you are right. What about we keep that for Friday? Friday we can be a little bit more wild, and we have more time. Yeah, used to trading gold too. That's why and funding time for a bit, gotta be patient with my trade. Removed it. Yeah, man. Gold gold can destroy your bank account, man. In like bam, 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 it's gone. So yeah, you definitely don't want to do that, man. Definitely don't want to do that. Gold is really gold is literally a wild horse, right? So yeah. Yeah, and you got to be careful with funding time for the drawdown. So, and with gold, you can get some massive drawdown. So you got to be very careful. All right, so now let's talk about trades. Can we get Trixie here? Trixie trade. Oh, damn it. Login, maybe. Login. No. Shit. I'm gonna have to share the other screen. So give me 1 sec. Right here, new window. Boom. All right, guys. So let me share the other screen. Boom. Let's go. Perfect. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Stop pushing it off, Sasha. Dance today and Friday. All right, we'll see. All right, so let's see. So as you see, this month so far, win. Last week was a perfect week. This week I had a small loss on Monday. Was that Monday? Yeah, I guess that was Monday. And yesterday, small loss. So except that, pretty perfect. And those were very small. So let's talk about sex. No. Oh yeah, because I had like 3 attempts on Monday. Yeah, that's why. Okay, so let's talk about the 08. No, 09. 09. 09 is Monday, right? If I'm not wrong. 09. Yes, the 9 was Monday. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, I didn't label that one. Oops. All right, so hold on, wait a second. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, this was pretty quick. Oh yeah. So basically this was based on the NYSC dogtail setup. So most of the time, based on the NYSC candle, the previous candle is going to follow the direction of the 9 a.m. candle on GJ, and most of the time you can get at least a 1-to-1 based on the previous stop loss, or the previous high of the candle. So if you look here on this candle, price went up, broke the low. This is where we got the entry, bam, and it went to, hold on, wait a second. This is, hold on, wait a second. This was on this candle. Oh, yeah. Okay, now I remember. Yeah, I need to write this down. Okay, so yes, so price came down, hit my auto break even at 11 pips. I had 2 position. All right, so I snapped 2 position back to back. And the reason why is because I wanted to put a higher lot size and I was not fast enough. So I had to click double trade on my magic key. So I had 2 entries. So what I did, instead of closing 50%, what I did, I closed actually 1 position in full. So I closed 1 position in full at 11 pips when my auto break even hit, and let the run to my 15 pips. So the plan was to close 80% of the trade at 15 pips, but never did it. So the second position got stopped at break even. So 1 position was closed at 11 pips and the other one got stopped out at break even. So the plan was basically for this to come visit this QP here at 500, which where we have some resistance here, some problem around this area, right? So was expecting price to come down here, reject and push back up, but unfortunately came down, to this area to fill this wick and push back after. So unfortunately never went to 15 pips, but actually secured some profit at 11 pips. So pretty happy with that. Pretty simple trade, dogtail setup. Basically what you want to do is wait for the wick up to be formed, and once it break the low, this is where you enter your trade. And this is on the NYSC candle. And that NYSC is going to have some volume. So this is why I like to use the setup for this candle. Cheers, guys. All right, so any question? Man, no question today. You guys are quiet. All right, so let's talk about the next trade then. Let's talk about the next trade. First attempt here. I'm gonna have to mark this one down. Let's go to the second attempt here. Oh yes. Okay. So this was this was one of the most stupid stuff ever. And I want you guys to take note of that and make sure you don't do the same stupid shit. All right, so you can ask my student, and actually, I think this was Tuesday, so this was live. This was live on YouTube. And during all the session, I was talking about one thing. I was talking about price coming down in this area, taking buy to go up, right? This is the only thing I've been looking at mostly during this full session on Tuesday. And what did I do? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so dumb. So what happened is instead, the 9 a.m. candle closed bearish, forming resistance right here, closing under this major QP. So I'm like, let's do a quick scalp, right? So because I know that NYC usually follow the same direction as the previous candle most of the time. And I'm going to use the dogtail setup. So it went up, came back down, broke the low, went down 4 pips, bam, straight to stop loss. I was like, whoa, okay. So yes, this trade idea was against my freaking plan for this session. And why? Because I saw this happening and I was like, oh, maybe it's going to come down and blah, blah, blah. And it was breaking the H4 low. So I got excited. I was like, all right, we can grab like 15 pips easily, but no. So the moral of the story here is stick to the motherfucking plan, right, guys? So stick to the plan. So yeah, so as you see, this was my first loss of the month so far. So but yeah, man, it's part of the game, right? So you just got to make sure you see this was like 10 pips, you know, so 10 pips. All my winners is bigger than 10 pips. So even if I get a full stop here, I don't care because I know that my next win is going to be at least 15 pips. So it doesn't matter. Whoops. Here we go. So let's take a look what I did after that one. After that one, I said, QGJ, give me back my money. So I came back to the plan. So the original plan was to buy from the golden zone, and this is exactly what I did. So you see, I should have waited, just be a little bit more patient, you know, wait for the setup to come to me and, you know, take the entry. So what happened? Price came down. We came down to this 50 fib area, which is the golden zone. We rejected this area, close engulfing candle very nicely, 930. So enter right away on the opening of the candle right here. This was enough confirmation for me. We're closing back above 153, rejecting the golden zone, engulfing candle. I mean, this was perfect. So enter right here at the opening of the candle. And man, it went straight to 15 pips. And I closed 80% at 15 pips. And I closed another 50% right here at around 20 pips. So, and the rest got stopped at break even. So this was pretty cool. This was a nice move. So this win destroyed my small loss. As you see, you need to make sure that your losses are smaller than your winner. That's it. Focus on that and you'll be fine. All right, guys. So let's see. Oops, sorry, guys. And that's about it, right? Yeah, that's about it. All right, so this is it for the trade from this week. Let's show up the other screen. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. Perfect. All right, guys. Cheers. All right, any question, guys? Let's see. Any question? By the way, guys, make sure you be there tomorrow. We're going to have a Franglish live trading session starting at 6:30 a.m. Eastern. And should I announce that today? I got something special to announce, but yeah. Oh, someone asked me about the coupon code for the course. The coupon is still available in the Telegram group. So if you're not on Telegram, on my Telegram group yet, make sure you send me a DM. I'm going to send you the link. And the coupon code is right there. There's a $50 coupon code for the course. So if you want to use it, it's right there on Telegram. All right, so make sure you take advantage of that. I think there's only 2 coupons left or 1 coupon left. If I'm not wrong, because it was a maximum. I can't remember. Did I put a maximum of 10 or 5? I can't remember. But I know for a fact I received a message from someone today that he took it. So I'm pretty sure probably like 2 left, maybe. If it's If it's 5, there's none left. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to check. But anyways, there might be like at least 2 left for sure. All right, so let's see. Any question here? Perfect. Any question? Any questions? That's it, man. That's it. Pretty simple. Man, Rages, I need to wait for Mike, because Mike, if I dance without Mike, I'm gonna hear this story for like weeks. So I'm gonna have to wait for Mike on Friday. So we're gonna do that on Friday, or maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. If we have a boring session tomorrow on the live session, might do that. Might do that. But with my broken toe, so this freaking toe right there is got two they call that mini fracture. 2 mini fracture on my toe, so I cannot do big moves. Actually, standing up like this actually hurt. So yeah, man. So yeah. Trade Ireland trade. Oh, beer time. Hey, Clay, what's up, man? It's been a long time. Clay, what's up, man? Cheers. Bonjour, Denis. Bonjour. J'espère que ça va bien. Same old. Yeah, man. That's cool. Passing some challenge I saw, man. Good job, man. Well done. So sorry guys, this is it pretty much. So what else to look for tonight? Just wait and see if we can break above 250. And yeah, man, it's definitely looking like it's trying to go, right? So you need to see this 4-hour candle, you know. And the next one, can we break 250? Because 250, man, is a heavy level. So as you see, 250 rejected here, rejected here, rejected. So man, 250 is pretty strong right there. So be very careful here. Price is ranging. Don't do something stupid. So yeah, man. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Very appreciate. I'll see you tomorrow morning at 4 at Forex Talk Over for another live trading session. Thank you very much once again. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give a like to the stream if you're watching the replay. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Take care.